Hi everybody, welcome to the Art Club Online. Michelle here. Today I am going to attempt to make something called a Polly Pocket. And obviously I don't think I can make one exactly like this, but I'm going to try to make a Polly Pocket, my version, inside of this old Altoid tin. It's metal, so I'll be able to bake my polymer clay inside of it, and then it will harden and be a cute little homemade Polly Pocket set. So before I start that, I want to show you some of my Polly Pockets, just in case you don't really know what a Polly Pocket is. Nowadays the Polly Pockets are larger, but back in the old days when I was a kid, Polly Pockets were teeny tiny people and these little portable compact sets like this. So let me show you. I have a lot of people still. I don't have as many as I used to have, but let me know if you guys want to see a video of my entire Polly Pocket collection, because it's quite extensive and I don't have the time to show you all of them today. But this is the size of the people. Polly was the main character, and this is her with her balloons. And this was one of the newer Polly Pocket compacts that I got. This was my favorite one. I think it was a spa. It has a sauna and a shower. Super fun. That's when they started getting really detailed with like moving parts and such. The older ones, I don't think I have my first Polly Pocket ever, but here, this is what they looked like in the 90s. And they still had some moving parts, like a little gate opens here, places to stand the dolls. And yeah, they were like the best because you just take them anywhere and you've got like a full doll set to play with wherever you go. They were my favorite toy, 100%. And I don't know how many I have. Maybe like, I don't know. I'm not even gonna guess. I have a lot of them. This is a little daycare. This one was fun because you could move that little toy around. I don't want to bore you guys. I want to get to the actual making of my Polly Pocket. That's me doing quotes. Polly Pocket. We're going to see how it's going to turn out. I have no idea. Oh my gosh, this is my first one. This is the first Polly Pocket I ever got. And I was in heaven. I was so amazed. Look, you got your bed up here, couch, TV, stairs, kitchen. It's got everything. And it had a little horse stall outside. The good old days. Okay, people. So this is going to take a while, so I'm going to time-lapse this video. Hope you guys are okay with that. And I chose a few colors. I did a little sketch of what I might want to do. And I'm just going to wing it. I'm just going to go for it. If it fails, then it fails. Let's try. So this is it so far. Actually, my card was full and the battery on the light died as well. So I stopped filming for the night and then I just kept sculpting a little bit. So the things that I didn't get on camera was the little cutting board with the knife and the vegetables. I don't think any of this was on either. So we're making progress. This is the first floor, and then the second floor here is gonna have the bathroom, the art room, and then the bedroom up here. But these are gonna have to be flat just because of the way that this is gonna close. You see, I don't really have a lot of room to make things super 3D. I'm gonna have to be careful that the things that are 3D don't hit the stairs or the chair. So maybe this can is not the ideal, but it's still really fun, really cute. My little modern Polly Pocket. All right, I'm gonna keep going. Alright guys, so that was my attempt at making my own do-it-yourself Polly Pocket. My light just died. That's a little indication of how very, very long this took. I mean, I sat here at my desk 3 different times, and each of those times was like a few hours. I'm gonna brighten this up a bit. So it was a lot of work, but I think it was worth it. I mean, we'll know better once I bake it, you know, but I'm pretty happy with it. All I need is a little person to go in this house, but I think I'll probably do another episode, if you guys want, of making the actual little Polly Pocket people, and I'll try to do them in the same like modernized style. Anyway, it was fun, but I was stressing a little bit about my SD cards because it was taking so long, and my desk is such a mess now. I have a lot to clean up. Anyway, it was lots of fun though. So it can be done. And I'll update you on how it bakes once I do that and in the next video. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I know it was only a few minutes for you guys, but for me it was like 3 days. So a job well done. Anyway, I will see you guys next time. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos like this one. Ta-ta.